Okay, welcome back to the next video. Welcome back to the next video. Just wet my pants there a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to do a Mentos challenge again. I'm going to do it in the tumble dryer. Like I said, well, this is a Potastic channel I'm on now, as well as my other channel. So yeah, these Coke bottles are a bit different now because they're attached on. I don't know if you can read it, I don't know if it's better from camera. If it is, I'll reverse the footage. Yeah, I'm going to do a Coke Mentos challenge. I'm going to put this in here. This is bought this dryer, so basically do what I want. There's a few marks in there already. Yeah, so we'll crack on with this. Yeah, let's see how this turns out. As you can see, they flip lids now. Coke bottles, don't know if you can see. There we go. I don't know if you can see. What I'm going to do is put this in the tumble dryer, have it standing up. It's a tiger. And I'll put the Coke and Mentos in there. So I'm just going to bring the camera forward so I can get a thumbnail shot for this. Just bear with me. Just need a thumbnail shot. There we go. I can move it back now. So you can't beat a good thumbnail for a YouTube video, can you? So yeah. What I'm going to do is put I'm going to put 2 Mentos in that. At least it won't go all over my floor like it did on the last one when I was doing a test. So yeah, just let me get Mentos. I had a Mentos earlier. So yeah, that's good. I'm going to put 2 in. That Mentos just gone flying near the camera. So yeah, I've got 2 Mentos here. Yeah, this are you ready for the tumble dryer? What I'm going to do, I'm too scared now, so yeah. Yeah, watch this. That was good. Don't know if you saw that then. That was amazing. Yeah, I'll just bring and show it you. So, as you can see, with that, don't know if you can see that, but that pop's going like that, so yeah. Don't know if you can see that properly. Yeah. So yeah, just let's tip all that in now. The Mentos are there, so yeah. That's all the pop there. Looks like a bloody washing machine now. I'm going to leave this dry door open to say I might do another challenge with this. So yeah, that's the Coke and Mentos done. So yeah, quite happy with that. So yeah, comment if you want any more videos like this with the tumble dry since it is here. So yeah, I'm hoping that does evaporate. It should do, shouldn't it? Yeah, I wouldn't risk using it because it's had a bit of a hammering with Wayne so far, so good. So it's not worth risking using it. So yeah, it looks. It's quite difficult to rotate a tumble dryer drum. Where's the pad? That were good though, just having it like that. When it exploded with the door shut, it went all over. It was like a bloody washing machine, that. So yeah. Yeah, that was good. I hope you've got a lot of value out of this video. Please subscribe, and I'd much appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.